Yes, boys, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Tuesday, the 14th of April 2026. We're at 2 break evens and 1 win, so yeah, another W day. We're on an absolute roll at the minute, so yeah, let's get straight into it. Coming into the day, I was actually more bearish, and the reason for this was we had swept this not previous day high, major daily high, and I'm pretty sure it's a weekly high. Yeah, weekly high. Definitely swept it, didn't we? I'm sure we did. Looks like we didn't right here. Oh no, we definitely swept it. Yeah, we swept the pre-market here. We got a decent react. I mean, to be fair, we're still sideways, but we were heading downwards. So I was bearish, but I was just neutral today. I wanted this to get filled, which it got filled straight away. This was my target. Well, not my target for the day, but this is my condition. If we disrespected this, bearish to London and Asia. If we respected bullish to these unfilled fair value gaps above. So we did respect it. So this what I did change bias. I adapted my bias and I was bullish. And yeah, today was actually pretty nice. What was the first trade? Oh, I did take a short first trade actually. One short, two longs. So we left this 5-minute unfilled. Like, look, why do we not tap this shit? Like, just tap it. So I was like, I feel we need to rebalance. Like, I don't mind taking a short to fill in these imbalances. If we look at ES as well, ES had 2 unfilled 5 minutes here. We did also get a 15-minute, but this was when I was in the trade. So this is why I really like this trade because you'll see in a minute. So yeah, we are in this 4 hour. We've took this high in this 4 hours, so there's no more highs in this 4 hours. So this is why I don't mind the short. Took this high, took this high. We're in this 4 hour. We had swept bar side this little turtle soup, you can say. We're generating all this liquidity here. I was like, okay. Then obviously we had this 5-minute here. And we had this 2-minute inverse here, which was the highest time frame inversion. And we were respecting it quite a bit, but still confident in this trade. So yeah, we got this 2-minute inverse here. I swear I got in. 2 seconds. Got in here. Stop loss at this high. I need to remove all these just for a sec so you don't get confusing. Not lock. Let me just remove all these. And then just a 1-to-1. Obviously, I went for a good stop loss. 1-to-1. Hopefully, we come into this fair value gap. But even if we did tap this fair value and come up, I'll be break. Well, I would have been break even anyway. So my plan for this trade was, after we inverse this, bang, we just flush through, go straight to this 5-minute fair value gap before this 15-minute opens, which was opening in like 4 minutes or some shit like that. So I was like, I'll take this before the 15-minute opens. Then this is my plan: either flush through and be break even at this 5-minute and hopefully just get this 1-to-1, or when the 15-minute opens, we can have a break even at the 15-minute, and then either way. So the way I looked at this, I was like, this is like a no-brainer, because why would we go up? We've got this unfilled 5-minute. We're going to form a 15-minute. So we're going to come down either way. I'm going to be break even. Like, there's no way I can lose this. Obviously, there is a way. But in my head, I was just like, there's no way I can lose this trade. I'm going to be break even, so I might as well try it. And yeah, we just chopped around a bit. Well, we formed this 15-minute first. I think, yeah. We formed this 15-minute. So there was a great break-even spot. Perfect here. I had the unfilled 15-minute at this low. And then this way we just chopped around a bit. Bang. Tapped into this 15-minute. As you can see. And then here we go. Break-even. Do not mind this at all. Do not mind this trade at all. I would take this again and again. So, yeah. W trade, just what it says. Break-even. Let's go on to the next trade. No, not that. Not that. Oh, literally from this 15-minute fair value gap. No, right, okay. This trade was absolute pain, man. Absolute pain. This trade was good. Obviously, when this... We had that. Tapped into this 15-minute. Bullish overall. Got some... The draw and liquidities were not good today. We just had unfilled fair value gaps, which were like 200, nearly 200 points up. So it's kind of shit. But we are, as you can see, we're clearly bullish overall. We're respecting this 15 minutes. So if I got this, what was it? 2 minute? 3 minute? Oh, I think it was 5 actually. Yeah, if we got this 5 minute, then I'm taking this bitch. I'm taking this. Break even at this high here. No, me, I'm taking this if we get it. So yeah, 50-minute tap. ES didn't tap into this 15 minutes. We got S&T, some more confluence. Bang. And this was, I did not get an entry, to be honest. I'd say this is discretion. I sort of knew we were going to inverse, so I got in here just for the better entry, and it worked out in the end. Well, it didn't because it was break even, but like, it would have worked out if I just got a tiny bit of a better entry on this trade, even just like here. But we didn't even inverse the 5 minutes, so you know what I'm saying. But the reason I did, because we did inverse the 3 minute, I think. Yeah, we inversed, not, was it a 2 minute? Yeah, we inversed this 2 minute, and we're about to inverse the 5 minutes. So I'm like, I'm just going to get in here, like, I'm just going to use my discretion, get in here because I'm confident in this. And yeah, it was a very nice entry, in fact. So got in after this 2 minute inverse, and we did end up inversing 5 minutes, as you can see. So there's 2 inverses. Break even here. Maybe, to be honest, I should have gone break even here, but I don't think it really mattered on this trade. Yeah, it don't matter. And yeah, just look at this shit, man. Just look at this shit. Are we serious right now? I'm gonna take this fucking magnet off. 1.25. Bye. Yeah, I was fuming because watch what happens now. Oh, nice. So I get edged by like a tick, and then we'll literally edge my, well, we hit my break even and go straight to TP. Yeah. Absolute fucking pain, mate. But that's part of trading. Another break even, another solid trade, which I didn't mind at all. Very good trade again. So you know it is. Whatever. Followed my rules. And then the third trade, finally. But this trade was still fucking AIDS because I didn't get what I wanted on here. But yeah. Another continuation. Form this 5 minute. Tap it. Oh, but mate, right. Okay, calm down, boy. 5 minute forms up. Opens up. Right. I'm getting these mad. 5 minute opens up here. Bang. Tiny 1 minute inverse. Look at that displacement though, like, wow. Perfect entry. And then on this trade, why was my stop loss there? I don't think my stop loss was there. I'm not too sure where my stop loss was. It might have been here actually. Might have been a 30-second fair value gap or something. I mean, it's not a bad stop loss, but I normally go here. But yeah, on this trade, as we can see, I was just trying to get a winning day, to be honest, for my payout. So I just didn't. Oh, has it done this again? I was just trying to get a winning day. Yeah. I didn't even have a TP on this. Obviously, I had a stop loss. I mean, I went break even like pretty literally on this candle. So this was a risk-free trade, break even straight away, and I think I exited like. I didn't have a TP because I was just like, let me get this $200. And I got greedy and I didn't even get the $200 because these break-evens for some reason cost me $50. And I was just trying to get $200. So I'm up on the day, but didn't get a winning day, which is absolute fucking pain. I am kind of fuming about it because I just wanted that winning day. And I'm literally like $20 off, $10 or $20 off a winning day, which is like the worst. But yeah, I got greedy and didn't get the winning day I needed. I could have if I just, took profit like here or here, but I ended up getting like out like somewhere here, like when we're coming down. I literally could have just, it's just greed. I mean, it's a winning, profitable day, but I definitely got some things to write down in my journal after this, which is just greed, to be honest. Just take the win, man. Greed. But I traded well today, to be honest. Like, I couldn't have done much more. It's just that. That's the only thing I did bad today. That's my only mistake today. I will journal it, go over it, and yeah, it is what it is. Winning. Well, it's not a winning day. It's a winning day overall. But it's not a winning day on the fun day, which is good. At least I'm up on the day. The fun day is going well, but it would have been nice to have a winning day. So yeah, just don't be greedy, boys, because you miss out on things like this. But yeah, I'll learn from it, and I'm happy with today. Decent day. Hopefully payout soon. Hopefully my first ever payout. I've been trading so good recently, so it's way to test. But yeah, gonna journal, hit gym, and come back tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be the end of the trade recap. Code SMG Alpha Futures. I think it's still 10% off. Join the Discord. Check the social out, and yeah, see you boys tomorrow if we take a trade. If not, Thursday or Friday if we take a trade. May not even be any more trades this week, but we'll see. Whenever I take a trade, I'll be back anyway.